Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the email power machine. Yes, this is indeed an email power machine. Very glad to have you here. And first of all, thank you very much for purchasing this valuable product. In this presentation, this is the first presentation, I explain you how to implement on a professional way your email strategy. And this is the first presentation, but it consists of total 16 videos of about 3 to 5 minutes, and it is combined with your ebook. My advice is first read your ebook, take your time. When it is necessary, read it twice, no problem, don't stress. And thereafter, you watch the videos, and the videos you can use it as a sort of guide. And when you watch the videos again, and then you see the head points, so to say, and then you say, aha, I read it in my ebook, and then you can go back to your ebook and read, okay, more in detail what you can do. The information, the content you find here is easy to learn, and you can it also easy to implement. It's professional content, and I explain you exactly why email marketing is so important, and I show you, of course, how to implement it successfully. And last but not least is that I also learn you how to start your own money machine. So I can say here you have really an email power machine in your hands. And I'm for a long time in business, and I have one important thing learned in my business career. What I've learned is this: to share is to multiply. And you're going to ask, what do you mean by that? Now, I mean this: I share with you my professional knowledge. And then you have the tools from all the knowledge. You can implement that. And when I give you the tools that lead to your success, that creates a very positive interaction between you and me. And of course, that will benefit both of us, all of us. What I'm doing here in these presentations and in my ebook is to share you the tools where you can lay the foundation for your success. So what I want to point out here is if you are really a go-getter and you are motivated and willing to put in your time with passion, then I'm sure that you are in the perfect place here. And I promise you, I dare you to promise that in terms of possible earnings with this knowledge, this professional content, the sky is the limit for you. So you can start to work right away from this. And if you have any questions, you can contact me by sending an email. Usually I will respond within 24 hours. And this was the end of the first presentation. I see you in the next video. Thank you very much.